Is it me, or is it just like what was old is now new again? Well, in the case of what we're about to show you, that is definitely the case. We're looking at the Marley Stir It Up turntable. And yes, turntables are back. Vinyl is back. What I love about this turntable and the Marley brand is that it's made by bamboo, recycled aluminum, silicone, and fabric. Marley as a brand is really into recycled goods, and you can see that it still has that premium look, and the fact that the materials are recycled is just an extra bonus. Now it works for 33, 45 RPM, no 78. And frankly, 78 RPMs are pretty rare these days. Another great thing about this turntable is it's got built-in preamps. So what does that mean? That means you can connect it directly to speakers and it will power those speakers and you're going to get that great sound. In the event that you want to hook this to your computer, thankfully on the back it also has a USB connection. Now if you've had turntables back in the past, or you're young and you're looking to get into that whole vinyl craze a lot of people are doing, this, my friends, is a fantastic entry-level turntable. The design is great, the sound is great, and again, it's made from recycled materials. And it's coming from the Marley brand, you know it's going to have that quality because they're really known in the audio world for their quality. Retails for about $300 Canadian, and if you are interested in the Marley Stir It Up turntable, you can get more information at houseofmarley.com.